Only need 2 tools to do this job.
Oh yeah, starting the day.
Look it over. Alright, welcome back to Dan's Hangout Garage. Today we are going to be installing an air filter on the 2006 Volkswagen Passat SI. Yeah, new air filter. This way you can do it at home, because there's a lot of screws in there and you're all like, what? So most people end up taking them to the dealership. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First thing you're going to do is grab your hood pop your hood, open the hood. Alright, your next step is going to be, we're going to unplug the mass airflow sensor. Then you're going to unclip. There's 2 of them, one in the back, one in the front. And then we're going to pop it up. Alright, if nobody's really been in here before, these rubber grommets that are on here will kind of fight you a little bit, but you just got to pry up and get them all. There should be 4 of them. Mine has been off so many times that they're wore out and I need to get new ones. And there we go. Alright, so when you got your cover off, what you're going to be looking for are all the Phillips screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think there's a 6th one somewhere. Alright, your next step is going to be to pull the air intake off. All you got to do, get your pair of pliers, squeeze that, pull it off. That way you can go ahead and separate it. And there we go. It's been time to replace this one. Oh yeah, it's quite clogged, quite sticky. So we're gonna grab our new one. There you go. Nice cleaner. Make sure they're the same, and just stick it on back in there. Now you have these. Well, if I can get them in there, these little clips, you have to line up with these before you put it back on. Alright, a little struggling, we got it. Now we just tighten up our Phillips screwdrivers, our Phillips. Now these Phillips should not come out. They should just only come out so far and stop. If they come out, try not to lose them. And just tighten them all back down. Now at the beginning I was going to show you, or told you about the grommets. Like this one is missing. It's still on the motor, so I need to pop it off. And so is this one. This one came unbolted. That happened a while ago. I haven't put it back together. But I'm going to pull that grommet and that grommet off the motor and put it back on there. But I was also going to show you, let's get this out of the way. These are where they go. There's one grommet and there's the other one. This is where the other one's supposed to go, but that one is actually broke off. So yeah, let's get these grommets off and get this cover back on, and we should be good to go. All right, well, my GoPro decided to fault out again, so here we go. We got the grommets done. It's back into place. So all you gotta do is reverse your steps, slide this in here, and clip, and plug in your mass airflow sensor. Oh, a little loose. That's because that front one's not bolted up. And then we're gonna, I like to reattach this and then we should be good to go. Alright, so we got a new air filter installed in your 2006, I think 2000 to 2010 FSI 4-cylinder. So the only two tools you needed was a pair of pliers and a screwdriver and a little bit of muscle. So you can do this air filter swap at home, so you don't have to take it to the dealership, and they charge you, I think it was $123.50 and some change. The air filter cost me $19.99. Yes, I had to order it. Took me 2 days to get it, but 2 more days wasn't gonna hurt it. So yeah, remember, catch me around Dan's Hangout Garage. Comment, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and hope to see you every Thursday. Bye.